the nature show with Woody Garwick. I'm Woody Garwick, and today we are doing something very, very scary. So scary, even my cameraman opted out of the filming. We are hunting the Lost One. The Lost One is so scary. No one dares to say its real name. Even I, Woody Garwick, don't dare mention his name in front of anyone, even my cat. The Lost One is a creature few have seen and then gotten to tell the tale about it. It's a ferocious animal, and no one gets away alive. It is still important to take breaks because the Lost One will know if you sweat, and if you sweat, the Lost One will kill you. The Lost One has been living in these parts for years. I'm currently tracking through the dangerous forest. Who knows? Maybe the Lost One will attack me. And who knows? Maybe I will attack it. Okay guys, I found water. I'm just gonna quickly go and grab some. That water was quite clearly poison, set by the Lost One. I found a weapon. Everyone knows that the Lost One is very, very scared of pointy things, so maybe this is what's gonna kill it. Oh my god. Listen guys, I think I see him. I think I see him. We have to be very, very, very quiet. Shit, no! Run everyone! Run! We have to run as fast as we can! He broke my stick. Now we have to be quiet or else he might kill me. I'm in a very, very bad position now, guys. He took my stick, my only means of defense, and he is freaking scary. I bet that he could kill me without even trying, but I can't let that happen. No. I have to kill him before he kills me. Oh god, I'm scared. I'm so terrified. Okay guys, shh. I think I may have spotted him. But we need to be very quiet and get up on him slowly. So we go along the ground. We use our surroundings. Ah, damn stick. Okay guys. You wait here while I'll sneak up on him. Let's do this.